Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Tanu and I would like to extend sincere thanks to everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. And those who have not subscribed yet, please do it right away as you'll be getting lots of tips to shape up your career. And these tips can be useful to you, to your family members, to your friends or anyone you really want to help. So friends, in my last video, I told you that a recruiter spends 6 to 7 seconds on an average reviewing a resume. Thus, it becomes important to create or have a professional resume. Today, I am going to tell you how to create or build a professional resume, what to include or what not to include in your resume. So having a resume consisting 5 W's can create a win-win situation for you or for any job seeker. Must be thinking what 5 W's I'm talking about. Excited to know? Let me take you through the 5 W's of resume. I'm sure you're aware that 5 W's, who, what, when, where and why, are a set of questions and their answers helps in information gathering. Here, we need to understand that a resume is different from a CV. Less is more. That's the art of resume writing. So the answers of these 5 W's must be written in a very nice and concise manner on your resume. So let's start with first W. Who? Who you are. Tell me about yourself. What comes to your mind when you hear or read this question? Is it about your education, your interest area, your family background, or your any other achievement? Is it you? No, it's not you. You are far beyond this. You have to think this way to write a branding statement at the top of your resume. A recruiter reviews hundreds of resumes daily, and a well-written profile statement can significantly catch their statement. So what you need to do? You need to create your brand. Yes, this is how you need to write who you are section of your resume at the top. Moving next, what? What can you offer to the prospective employer? So think, analyze, and write about your educational qualifications, your key competencies, your technical skills related to your industry, domain, your soft skills that are your personal characteristics, and awards or rewards you have achieved in your current or previous assignments. So your first page of resume must provide all necessary information to the recruiter to give a go ahead to your resume. Moving to the third W. When. When and where you have worked. A well-written work experience is a very crucial element of your resume. So you need to mention your employer name and employment dates. Please do not mention 2 years with so and so employer. Be very specific. Then your job titles, job locations, and your growth chart. Promotions you have gained in your current or any of your previous assignments. So it is recommended to use chronological format to create an impressive career timeline of yours. The next W is where. Where do you see yourself? So here you need to write a profile summary of yours. You should avoid writing generic statements like accomplished professional seeking growth in so and so industry or so and so field. Be very, very specific of your accomplishments. Use bullet points, figures, team size, largest team size you have handled, how successfully you have handled them and all. And then mention measurable achievements like profitability, sales growth, increased revenue, improved processes, or anything which resulted into better business outcomes. So your profile summary should be written in such a way that it explains your career aspirations on its own. It should be a self-explanatory profile summary. What's the last one? The last W is why. Why should you be hired? Or why you are the best fit for the role? You'll mostly come across this question during the interview. So in today's era, it is highly recommended to have a proactive approach to tell the employer why me with the help of a cover letter outlining your qualifications, experience, traits that are relevant to the job. And your cover letter must encourage the recruiter to read your resume. So these are the 5 W's of resume writing, which have been derived from the vast experiences of professional resume writer in our team. Are you thinking what next? Or hard to fit all in a 1 or 2 pages resume? So let's have a look at our sample. The first one is sample of a fresher. The second one is a sample of IT professional having more than 19 years of experience. The third one is of a marketing professional with 6+ years into marketing, branding, advertising. And the next one is of procurement professional, a senior procurement professional with more than 20 years of experience. And then the KYC banking and data scientist sample. So these samples will give you a fair idea how you can write a professional resume, how you can put all the required and necessary information in a very concise way. So do you need a professional resume, or are you thinking how to write a professional resume, or somebody who can help you in building a professional resume? Let us try our hands on your resume and create a very high standard professional resume at a very nominal fee. So you can call us, email us, WhatsApp us your resume for free review and avail our resume writing services if required. Please understand that your resume must make a favorable impression on a prospective employer and gets you an interview. All the best. Take care.